Okay, that's a great question. Pioneer, so person, wants to know how fast they are walking beside their covered wagon. They put a mark on one point of the wheel, radius 36, started counting how many times the wheel goes around. Okay, wheel, and they put a mark right there. And they count how many times it goes around. And the radius is 36 centimeters. And so if they count, they do 38 revolutions in 1 minute. So 38 revs per minute. So that is a rotation. So that would be like an angular velocity. But the problem was the angular velocity has to be in radians per minute. So I'm just going to convert that. So 1 revolution is the same as 2 pi radians. There we go. So my angular velocity, 38 times 2, so 76 times pi radians per minute. Okay, revs cancel out. So they say, how fast are they going? In kilometers an hour. Oh, okay. So velocity is equal to r times angular velocity. And so velocity is equal to the radius is 36 centimeters times the angular velocity is right there, 76 pi rads per minute. But they want to know what their speed is in kilometers an hour. So let's change these centimeters first. So there's 100,000 centimeters in 1 kilometer. And there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Notice that I put the minutes on top because they were on the bottom there, so they'll cancel. And centimeters cancel. So my units in the end are kilometers per hour. So now I just take my calculator. 36 times 76 pi times 76 pi times 60 divided by 100,000. So I'm getting their velocity is 5.1, have to round to 2 decimal places, 5.17, 5.16 kilometers per hour. And that's I think that's doable. 5 kilometers an hour. It's fairly quick walk, but I think you could probably do that. All right, hopefully that helps.